Hey, welcome back, market gods and goddesses. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I am, and I want to show you, today, something that I really noticed and really am hitting on to, and I want you to know, and I did discuss it before in a previous email, but this is vlogging, and this is always a note to self that we need to pay attention to. So, Forex Factory, today it is. All week it's been news, I think, except for Monday. And Trump has been speaking every single day. And I'll be honest with you, with Trump speaking, I have been very hesitant on trading. Number one, because this is unprecedented, literally, that a president speaking gets a red flag and it is posted as far as economic news. But when it comes to Donald Trump and this trade war, just Donald Trump, period. I don't get his words affect the market. So they've just decided to make it, red news every time he plans on speaking about anything. So in essence, the news came out, it was negative. So technically, if it is negative and it is against the dollar, that means NOS is supposed to go up and the dollar is supposed to go down. Now, tentatively, what I'm seeing is that's exactly what's happening. NOS took a deep dump right here. It started to rise again at around about, let's see here. Here's the 8:30 candle on the 1 minute. So this is the 8:30 candle. So it looks like it took out the high and hasn't taken out the low. And I think that's what it's going to do. Right now, we have equal highs right here that I'm seeing right here. Equal highs have formed right here. So I'm anticipating that it going down, taking this out, and potentially this out too. That's just tentatively just now me just looking at the market. I tend to do nothing until 9:30 to trade. Right now I'm setting up my, let me get rid of that. I'm setting up my calendar for, well, maybe it might go up, because technically it should go up based upon the news. Like I said, NOS is probably going to go down. But right now it's fluctuating, getting its head together. And that's why I tend to prefer trading an hour before news or an hour after news. That means I want to trade before 7:30, and I want to trade around about 7:30, and I want to trade about 9:30 after the news. But what I did notice here, I kind of marked this up last night, because once again I had no objective to trade until the daytime, because I have greater confluences and surety during the daytime, high percentage of success rate so far with my preliminary trading, especially since I'm trading this prop firm. Pray for me. I'm trying to get to 9,000. I'm literally 3,000 away from that. So if I can get that $3,000 day, that'd be absolutely great. And that'll be below my 4,500 profit that they will allow on a daily basis. And I would have passed at least 4 of these challenges, and I just have one more to take care of, which I'd be happy to do the 4. Okay, so anyway, let's look here. This is what I wanted to show you. Right here, I marked off this breaker block right here. And as you can see, it hit here 1 at 3:05, then 2 at 3:22, then 3 at 4:12, and then at 4 at 4:33, and that's when it took off and just went down to heaven. Okay, that's a lot of money, and more importantly, people have profited significantly if they took that trade, and that was like a close to 196 points type of trade. But what I want to emphasize is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. I find that they depend on that you'll get frustrated after the 3rd time and you quit. More importantly, they've probably taken out so many people's, stop losses and pending orders, etc. And then the 4th time is the lucky charm, is when they really make their move. Okay, as you can see here. So just make note of that. I mentioned that in a previous video not too long ago. This is 2:14. Oh, It's Valentine's Day for all of you lovebirds that are out there. But we love every day because God is what? God is love. So every day I am living, laughing, and loving. So I hope you are doing the same thing. I hope you have a blessed day. And remember, you're the first love of your life. And I hope that you're loving yourself, even if you may not have a quote-unquote significant other. That does not define you as being a loving person or not a loving person. So let's be very clear. We love ourselves first. And more importantly, who do we love the most? God inside of us. So we love Great Spirit. And that is the true love that we can depend on forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. And that's what's going to, when you have God's love, what other love do you really need? Okay. All the substitute pale in comparison, because that's where you find your most unconditional love. So that's why I'm always, no matter what's going on in my life, no matter who is in my life, long as that I have God in my life, I'm always in a state of love, peace, happiness, and joy. And I hope you feel the same way too. All right, I see you at the top of the top. More importantly, ching ching. I will see you at the bank. Let's find some miracles in the market in our trade today. Bless you all. Bye-bye for now.